Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says suppose that vector p, vector q, vector r are three non coplanar vectors, so they are not in the same plane. Okay, in rq means r cross r cross r. So, x, y, z you can connect, and also if you're not able to visualize, just suppose p as I cap because I cap is a vector, unit vector along x-axis. Okay, you can treat this as j cap, you can treat this as k cap. Okay, and then visualization will become easy. Let the component of a vector s, so we have certain vector s whose component is this and this, whose component along P, Q, and R is this, and this. So along P is 4, means along I cap is 4 unit. So 4I, so here we will be writing 4P. Okay, then 3Q, then 5R. So this is your S vector. Okay, now again these guys are talking if the component of this vector s, so again they are talking about s vector only. Okay, along this vector, so along this vector is x, so can I say that minus p plus q plus r is x, and along this vector is y, so can I say that p q r is y, and this along z, so can I say that minus p minus q plus r is z. Okay, now let's write down this thing in proper form. Earlier the previous vector was also s and this vector is also s, and the previous vector was in terms of pqr, so we will write down this vector also in the form of pqr. So we will write all the components of p minus x plus y minus z. This is your p vector. Now q minus y, sorry, x minus y minus z q, and then r vector x plus y plus z. So this is your r. So you already have both the vectors. Now you guys need to do comparison. So look at this. So can I write minus x plus y minus z equals to 4? You can compare this with this. So same with this. So x minus y minus z equals 3. Then we have x plus y plus z equals 5. Now A, B, C. Now look at this. Just be very careful. I am doing A plus C. Okay. A plus C. So if you will do A plus C, Z and X will be neutralized. You will be left with 2y equals 9, and y will become what? 9 by 2. So you got your y. Now proceed. Suppose that you are doing B plus C. So your y component and your z component will be eliminated. So you will be left with 2x equals 8. So the value of x will become 4. So you got your 4. Now Now we need to find out the value of z. So how we will get to z? Yes, we will add a plus b. Look at this. If you will add a plus b, minus x plus x gone, plus y minus y gone, and minus 2z is equal to 7. Okay, so z will be minus of 7 by 2. Okay, so we got our z. This means we got x, y, and z. Now you guys can manipulate this thing and just find out the answer. Please put that answer into comment box. I will not solve this one. Rest is on you. So I hope you guys can handle these kind of situations in future, and see you guys in next session of Mathflix.